Welcome to Illuminous. We'll show you in this video how to wire RGB LED reel to our RF remote controller. First, wire AC voltage to the input of your DC LED driver. You do not need a dimmer switch as shown, as the RF remote has a dimmer built in. Note, use 12 volt or 24 volt driver based on the choice of LED reel type. Now, wire the DC voltage to the input, and the RGB reel to the output of the controller base. Now, we are ready to test. Hold the channel on button that you want this reel to be linked with. You can select an individual color by the wheel, or elect one of the many fade programs. You can change speed and dimming. Thank you for watching.